I'm clicking in my single paragraph with all the tabs, and I want to bring that one to the top of the page. Then I'm going into Format, Paragraph Formatting, and our tab. Here we can see all four of our tabs listed. We've got the 1.15, 3.19, and in this box here shows the currently selected one. Let's go down to 3.19. That was we noticed that this thing went from left to centered, and we'll show it again. Left to centered. Let's change this centered to a left. When I click OK, we'll notice that our center tab moved to a left tab. We can also bring that box up by double-clicking the ruler. Going into our tab, we can change this back to a centered. We'll notice that you can delete all tabs. You can delete the currently highlighted tab. Going to this decimal, we can change this decimal character from a period to a comma or any character that we like, which may be handy for people in foreign countries that use something other than a decimal for their separator. We'll notice that this new is inactive. To make that active, we have to type in a new number, say 1.25. Now it's allowing us to add a new, and in this case, left tab. We could make it a right tab, but I'll leave it at left. So let's add in our new left tab at 1.25. Clicking OK. We'll notice that all of our tabs got shifted back. And I have to add in a new tab to fix it. Now the bottom part of the tab dialog, we have this fill character. Now that's better demonstrated on a different example. Here we have a program for the cast of characters of a high school play. We have the characters here on the left and who it was played by on the right. Now I only have a few names here, but if we had 10 to 20, with that distance in between, sometimes it's tough to stay on the same line. Who is that played by? And we want to put a dotted or dashed line in between here. And we can do that with the tabs. Going into Format, Paragraph, and we see our fill character here. We have dots, we have dashes, an underline, and we can even make it our own character. We've got our first tab here at 1.44 and our second tab at 4.87. Now where it's going to fill is to the left of the tab, so we're going to make it at our 4.87. We will make this one the dots. Clicking OK. Because I made this all one big paragraph, it gave us our header line with the dots as well, which we did not want. So let's fix that. I'm going to turn on my non-printing characters, and instead of having this a line break, we're going to make this a paragraph break. Then in this paragraph, going to tabs, and we turn off the dots, select none for our fill character, and now we just have a tab over. And that looks a little more like what we were looking for.